Today I'm going to show you how to get verified on Instagram, so let's begin the video. To begin with, I am going to open my Instagram app, and here I will click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here I'm going to click on the three horizontal line at the top right corner, and here after that I will click on the settings. Now I have to scroll down and go to the option request verification. Now here I will click on it. Now as you can see, to get verified by Instagram, I have to fill up this form. Here I have to confirm my identity, confirm notability, and then I have to submit the request. Verified accounts has blue check marks next to their names on their Instagram profile. To get verified by Instagram, you have to fill out this form with correct information. If your information is not correct, then you will not be able to get verified. Here you have to enter your username, full name, category, and also select the country and origin. You also have to add your category, and once you have selected your category, now you have to fill other things that they have asked. Here at this section, you have to provide all the links of other social profiles or any websites you own. Once you have added the links, now you have to click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, your request will be submitted. After that, you have to wait for the few days until Instagram get back to you. You can also buy paid verification subscription by Instagram. For this, you have to open your Chrome browser and here type in subscribe to Meta Verified on Instagram, and then you have to click on the first link. Here they will many options to get their Meta verification. So once you have selected all the methods, now what you have to do is you have to follow all the steps that are required. So this is how you can get verified on Instagram.